Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice in Discord Android. So if you want to do some voice chat on Discord but you don't want to use your real voice, and here I'm going to show you how you can easily change voice in Discord on Android devices. So first you just need to find an apps voice changer apps on the Play Store. So let's just go open a Play Store in here, and here we can just click on search and just find any voice changer apps. Here you can see there are lots of voice changer apps that you can use. So for example, let's just use this, the first one's right here, the voice changer, voice effects. Let's install it on your phone. Okay, so just wait until the app is fully downloaded and installed. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, so now the app has been installed. You can just tap on open to open the voice changer app. Okay, let's not pay for it first. Let's open the app first. Okay, there's some ads. Let's just wait. Okay, so in here what you need to do is just click on record and change, and here you can start recording audio or video. I suggest you to record video, and after that you can go back to the Discord mobile apps and then just start talking, so your voice will be changed after that. Or you can also use this record audio. I cannot do it because I'm currently using the microphone in here. So you can just click on this to record the audio, and after the audio is safe, you can open the messages, the Discord apps, and then you can just send the audio file. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.